If I were to be completely honest, business have been slow for me lately. My name is Sakani. I'm the founder of Sassy Food. I run a small fast food restaurant and I recently gave birth. I've been struggling to leave the house ever since giving birth more than 2 months ago. Probably due to attachment, worrying too much, and all that. So I've struggled getting back to a rhythm and growing my business. However, I've set myself a challenge, a 100-day challenge, wherein I want to commit to taking intentional actions of growing back my business. This will include distributing flyers, talking to people about it, and in the process, I want to give. So I'll be launching something called the community table, wherein we will support people in need in the community with meals starting with once a day. I've never been a natural social media content creator. I find it difficult, but I realize that the business needs visibility, and for me to take it out there, I need to be consistent by posting online, by recording content daily, and I want to begin this journey by doing so every single day. Obviously, it's going to be difficult for me, very difficult, especially with my issues related to postpartum. But yeah, this is what I want to do. I realized that waiting till I'm ready will not help me, because there won't be such a time where I will feel completely and 100% ready to do so. Hence, I'm going to start with the resources I have. With anything at this moment, I'm just going to start posting content every single day. So today I'm committing to showing up online. This is actually day 2 of the challenge I set for myself. I am committed to showing up daily online, posting, documenting my journey, the good and the bad, the challenges that it comes with, the struggles, the wins. I'm hoping to win. I'm not going into it for failure. I'm hoping to win. So I'll be recording every journey. If you are out there as well, trying to rebuild your business, your hustle, whatever it is that you're working on, and you need support, let's join hands together. Let's grow together. Let's join this journey together and see where we will be in the next 100 days. Since today is day 2, this is proof that I'm actually starting.